In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a neon text animation in Canva, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Neon text animations are perfect for YouTube intros, Instagram reels, shorts, thumbnails, and any design where you want your text to really stand out and grab attention. The best part is, you can do this directly inside Canva without installing any extra software. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free using your email or Google account. After logging in, you'll see your Canva home dashboard, where all your recent designs are displayed. Next, click on any file of your choice. You can open an existing design that you're already working on, or you can create a new design from scratch. For example, you might choose a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or a custom-sized canvas depending on what you want to use the neon text animation for. Once your design opens, you'll be taken to the Canva editor. Now, click on any text in your design to select it. If you don't have text added yet, go to the text panel on the left side, add a heading or text box, and type in the word or phrase you want to turn into neon text. Make sure the text is selected so the editing options appear in the top toolbar. With the text selected, look at the top toolbar and click on Effects. This will open the Text Effects panel, where Canva shows different styles and visual effects you can apply to your text. This is where the magic happens. In the Effects panel, scroll through the Style section until you find the Neon effect. Click on Neon, and instantly you'll see your text transform into a glowing neon-style design. This effect gives your text that bright, illuminated look that really pops against dark backgrounds. Once the neon effect is applied, you can customize it to match your design. You'll see options to adjust the intensity and glow of the neon effect. Play around with the intensity slider until you get the look you want. Increasing the intensity will make the glow stronger, while lowering it gives a softer neon effect. You can also experiment with different font styles and colors to make the neon text look even better. To turn this into an animation, click on the Animate button in the top toolbar while your text is still selected. Choose a text animation style, such as fade, pop, or any animation that fits your design. When combined with the neon effect, this creates a smooth and eye-catching neon text animation. Preview the animation to make sure it looks the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully created a neon text animation in Canva using just a few simple steps. You can now download your design as a video or GIF and use it on social media, YouTube, or anywhere else you want. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.